Using Facebook's Messenger ad format allows you to engage with users directly within the Messenger app, enabling conversations and interactions that can lead to conversions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Facebook's Messenger ad format. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Start a new campaign. Click on the Create button in Ads Manager to initiate a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goals for the Messenger ad. Common objectives include traffic, conversions, or messages. 4. Configure ad set. In the ad set level, define your target audience, placements, budget, and schedule. Ensure that your targeting is specific to reach users who are likely to engage with your ad. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Select Messenger ad format. In the Ad Creative section, choose the Messenger format. This option enables you to create ads that users can click on to initiate a conversation with your business in Messenger. 7. Customize your ad creative. Customize your ad creative to grab users' attention and encourage them to engage with your ad. Include compelling visuals, concise copy, and a clear call to action, CTA. 8. Choose a conversation destination. Select where users will be directed when they click on your Messenger ad. You can choose to direct users to an existing conversation with your business or to start a new conversation. 9. Add quick replies optional. Include quick replies in your Messenger ad to provide users with predefined response options. Quick replies make it easier for users to engage with your ad and initiate a conversation. 10. Include a call to action, CTA. Choose a relevant CTA button for your Messenger ad, such as Send Message or Get Started. The CTA should encourage users to take action and start a conversation. 11. Review your ad. Review all the details of your Messenger ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Ensure that your ad is visually appealing and effectively communicates your message. 12. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your Messenger ad will appear to users. Test the functionality of the ad and ensure that users can easily initiate a conversation with your business. 13. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your ad campaign, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. By following these steps and continuously refining your strategy based on performance data, you can create effective Messenger ads on Facebook that drive conversations and conversions for your business. So that's it. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. If you need to hire a freelance social media manager and marketing expert, I will be that one. Passionate about leveraging the power of social media to drive brand awareness, engagement, and sales, I specialize in creating dynamic marketing content on various social media platforms. With a focus on YouTube, I share valuable insights and strategies related to digital marketing, social media management, and advertising. Services I offered: social media page moderation, Facebook, Instagram; marketing strategy development; advertisement creation and management, Ads Manager; Facebook chatbot system development, Facebook developers partner. Why hire me? As a seasoned freelancer in the field of social media management and marketing, I bring creativity, expertise, and a results-driven approach to every project. With a solid track record of delivering impactful campaigns and driving meaningful engagement, I am dedicated to helping businesses achieve their marketing goals. Partner with Facebook. I am proud to be a trusted partner with Facebook, leveraging advanced tools and strategies to enhance brand presence and optimize marketing efforts. My expertise extends to developing custom chatbot systems that streamline communication and enhance user experience on Facebook. Contact me. Ready to take your social media presence to the next level? Contact me today via WhatsApp to discuss how I can help you achieve your marketing objectives. Feel free to customize and expand upon this template to better fit your personal brand and professional achievements. Good luck with your YouTube channel and freelance endeavors. So that's it. See you soon.